Hi guys, today zoom in a look at the parts from the Collins transponder to have a first view of the kind of components we find on it. So I will not do everything because in fact everything is basically the same. We have, so as I said in the previous video, all the transistors are socketed like so. They are all golden leg transistors, by the way, and they are mostly from Texas Instruments, and mostly all the 2N series, 2N337, 2N1224, of course all made in USA. The resistors seems to be carbon resistors, or school carbon resistors, with brown bakelite body. We have small shielded capacitors, like this one, military grade probably, mica capacitors. And here, for instance, we have regular ceramic disc capacitors. So this thing here is a puller to remove the module, and here also this metal part is a puller. We have some unusual stuff like this black cylinder. I do not know what it is. It is a 4-leg cylinder. The diodes are glass body diodes. Some are contact point diodes, like this one. We can see inside the contact point. The standoffs are golden standoffs with Teflon base, press fit in holes in the aluminum plates here. Here, is it in the frame? Yes. We have trimmers, so a regular, maybe bigger than usual, but a regular shape multi-turn trimmers with a screw head at the end. Here on the inside we have a number of these kind of metal boxes with glass insulated contacts, so either transformers, delay lines and such. If I flip it this way, is it still in focus? Barely, yes. Some bigger resistors, but you can see always the same stuff. Texas Instruments 2N transistors, some little trimmers here, and we can see through the holes here more little trimmers in this shielded box. So by the way, here we have this box contains the main back connector, and here at the bottom you cannot see it, there are capacities pass-through for EMI protection probably. Here at the end you can see the kind of high frequency connector they use. It looks more or less like a SMA connector, but there is a screw-in part. And this, guys, is the transmitting vacuum tube behind this cover. We will look at it later. Nice little cover with spring contact stuff. And you must align the slot. Okay. On this side we have the front panel with the push button, the light, the BNCs here, and we have a vacuum tube cavity with one one other kind of high frequency connector here, but at least this one you can it is like a BNC almost, but it is with a screw. This one is easy to remove without tool at least. You put it back in place immediately. Well, later maybe. This zip tie here is probably not original. I'm not sure in fact, because we are over zip ties here. I'm not sure, I don't remember if I did add them myself. Yes, probably in fact, because you can see elsewhere there is wax cord to keep wires in place, so it is probably remade, as they didn't have the correct stuff to remake. At least functionality is okay, but it does not have the same vintage look. Okay, you can see by the way all this is silver plated. Here we have a few holders, nothing special. So here you can see these boxes are delay lines probably, or filter networks. Completely potted in epoxy or bakelite stuff. Very hard. More mica capacitors, more transistors here. And it is, in fact, it is the same thing all the way around, but behind the modules we have different things, if I remember correctly. It is why we will remove them later and have a look at the backside of the modules. This is a bigger delay line. On the top we have so last side in fact seems we have high voltage stuff here for the transmitting modulator with this plastic shield. And I can see at the bottom here a Teflon sheet. More mica capacitor. This is weird, guys. Look, a little toroidal thing with 6 legs. It almost looks like a bug. Really interesting. And here is the power supply section. You can see we have big electrochemical capacitors. These black things here look like solenoids, but no, they are in fact power resistors. This is a bridge rectifier in a black, little black box, you can see. And here at the back we have a bigger bridge rectifier with a regular metal body diodes. Okay, so I believe it is all for now. We will just have another look at this side here on the radio frequency section. So you can see the main coax coming from the antenna plug, presumably. I believe it is the antenna plug. Going in some stuff, it must be the switcher between transmit and receive, probably. And I do not know how many high frequency plugs we have on it. Yes, in fact we have one output here, it seems, going to somewhere else. And here at the top side we have a cylinder, a tube, metal tube, which more or less looks like a waveguide. It is poking out at this side here, so it must be a waveguide. And here maybe we are picking up something. either the transmitting power or it is the pickup for receiving. Quite interesting. So here is the one beast of a module. The markings here are erased, sadly, but here no. And in fact, you can see the components inside. So same thing, they are mounted on solder post. Okay. So in the next video, we will start removing modules and having a look at them, the other sides. For now, if you want, you can use this as a computer background. I think it is quite nice. So, thanks for watching. Bye bye.